Hey, son, what can I get you?
Please could I have a slice of that yummy cake?
Are you sure? Those pants look a tad on the tight side of life.
Yes mom, I want cake. Gimme some cake.
Would you not like a slice of daily life instead? Because you might prefer it when you want to go on a date.
Mom, stop embarrassing me online. And no, I don't like daily life. Okay? Just give me some cake.
Naughty step. Now.
What? But mom, can I have a cookie instead?
No, but you can have a grape or some Slimmers pills.
Don't make me angry. Me angry. Be right.